everyone, this is Om from Civil Center. Welcome back to our channel. As you know, Civil Center is continuously working with a vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And in this series, we are making a number of YouTube videos on different softwares. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we will learn how to mirror objects in Tekla structures. So, first of all, you will have to select your object, then go to Edit and go to Move Special. From there, you have to select Mirror, and now you have to choose 2 points in which you want to mirror the object. Now, click on Move. So you can see your object has been successfully mirrored. You can also do it by copy special. So all you have to do is to go to copy special, choose mirror, define 2 points along which you want to mirror your objects, and then click on copy. So you can see your object has been mirrored successfully. So this is how you can mirror your objects in Tekla structures. So that was all for today. If you want to join our live online classes, then you can find the details in the description. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.